You are all fine. Okay, so I think your online study is going well. So students, now today we are see the first year course, and students, our day is started by good thoughts. So now students, we see here the first of all thought. What is today's thought? Today's thought is a person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Okay, what is the meaning of this thought, all students? A person who never made a mistake, it means not we are do now a mistake. Okay, so never tried anything new. Okay, we have learned something by our mistake. What we have learned something by our mistake. This thought is quote is given by Albert Einstein. Okay, so students, we are starting our further sessions, and what we have done in last session, we have, first of all, let's check this. What we have done in last session means what we have done, what we have done in previous lecture. So first of all, the revision. But which revision? Step of problem solving, exercise second G. Okay, yesterday students, we are completing the what? Exercise number second G, means solve the following. Okay, and now students, what we are doing today, we are now see in the today's contents, means what we are do today. Okay, so revision of step of problem solving, and step of problem solving, exercise number second is G. Okay, I hope you understood, all students, betterly. Then after today's content, let's see here today's contents, and today what we are going to learn, we are checking the here. So first of all students, today we are going to learn revision of step of problem solving. What again and again I am give the revision of the step of word problem. It means we have importance of step of problem solving. Understood? Anyhow we remember, and anyhow we learn the step of what? Problem solving. Understood, all students? Now second is what we are going to learn, problem solving skill. Okay, what is problem solving skill? I am telling you in the next I am starting the exercise before. I am telling you problem solving skill. Extra information. What is extra information? This I am telling you. Then after exercise second H. Okay, we are till starting to the exercise number second H. Before we are see what is a step of problem solving. Okay, all students, you are write the step of problem solving in your fair book with me, and I am explaining you now. So students, you all are write the step of problem solving. Understood? So you write the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. Okay, so now students, we are revise here the what is the step of problem solving. Daily we are revise the step of problem solving. It means word problems is also coming in this step. Then after solving the following, and story problems, application in real life, all are same. All okay, but with different instructions, but a same step. Okay, we are apply the same step of problem solving. So step number 1 is what? Read the problem and understand the question. What students? Question. Step number first is what? Read the problem and understand the question. We are going to learn students step of problem solving again and again. I am telling you step number 1 is again read the problems and understand the question. 2 times speak with me, all students. Step number 1, read the problems and understand the question. Read the problems and understand the question. Read the problems and understand the question. Then after step number 2 is find the information, give in the problems. What we have write as a easy form, find the information, give in the problems. Understood? So what we are speak there, find the information, giving in the problems. What? Find the information, giving the problems. Then step number 3, decide what to do. What? Step number 3, decide what to do. Then after step number 4, solve the problems and answer the question. What? Solve the problems and answer the question. Then step number 5 is check your answer. How can we check? Already I was explaining you and I was told you how can we check our answer. Step number 1 is what? Read the problems and understand the question. These all steps, students, today also we are applying in our exercise number 2nd H. Okay, understood all students? Step number, this all steps, step number 1 to 5 is today also applying in today's exercise number 2nd H. Understood? So that's why we are here, the revision of step of problem solving. So read the problem and understand the question. What, students? Read the problems and understand the question. And step number 2, find the information given in the problems. What? Step number 2, find the information given in the problems. Then after the step number 3 is what? Decide what to do. What? Step number 3 is what? Decide what to do. Then after step number 4 is what? Solve the problems and answer the question. What, students? Solve the problems and answer the question. Then after step number 5 is what? Check your answer. Understood all students? Again and again we are students we are do the revision of the step of problem solving. Okay, but here step number 3 we are apply in our further exercise because of for the before exercise number 2nd H already textbook has given, one has been done for you, and they're telling us this is the addition sum or subtraction sum. Okay, so step number 3 we are never do. So now in exercise number 2nd H we are do the decide what to do. Okay, so apply a step number 3, decide what to do. Understood all students? Step of the problem solving. Step number 1, read the problems and understand the question. What? Read the problems and understand the question. Step 2, find the information given in the problems. What? Read the problems and understand the question. Step number 2, find the information given in the problems. Step number 3, decide what to do. Decide what to do. Step number 4, solve the problems and answer the question. Step number 5, check your answer. What? Question number 5 is what, all students? Question number 5 is what? Step number 5 is check your answer. Understood all students? Then after we are do the what? We are all students write the question. Okay, you are all write the question. Okay, then after students you are do or solving the question. Whenever we are do the or solving the question, so students keep it in mind all things. What? Keep it in mind all step and all problems. Understood all students? Then after we are move on further exercise number 2nd H. Exercise number 2nd H is what? Solving using addition or subtraction. Use only information using addition or subtraction. What? Solving using addition, subtraction. Okay, solving using addition or subtraction. It means what? Solve the addition or subtraction. But in which form? Word problems, application in real life, or also what? Also solve the problems. Understood? So you and then use only the information you needed. What? In instruction or instruction is here, students, use only the information you need. Okay, it means we are take the information we have apply, we have needed. Okay, so now students, let's check here the question number 1. Okay, yesterday what we have done? Exercise number 2nd G, and today we are going to solving the exercise number 2nd H in question number 1. Okay, so students, we are see here the question number 1. Okay, so step by step we are going through. All students read the problem and understand the question. Again we are revise here. Read the problems and understand the question. Then step 2, find the information you give in the problems. Decide what to do. Students, step number 3, we must be applying here also. Decide what to do. Then after step number 4, solve the problems and answer the question. And then step number 5, check your answer. Okay, so now let's see here the question number 1. What is the question number 1? The painters of 25 buildings have the complete the work in 30 days. Okay, painters, it means painters are doing the paint to the building, home, house. Painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. 30 days, so how many students? 1 month. Okay, in 30 days anyhow painters complete the 25 buildings. Okay, they need 423 cans of white paint. How many cans of white paint they want? 423. Okay, then after, and 670 cans of red paints. Red paint means red color. So how many cans do they need all? Okay, painters, they need to the 423 of white color, and here paint means white color. White paint means white color, and 678 cans of red paint. It means a red color. So white color is they want 423 cans, and red color they want 678 cans. Okay, how many cans do they need to? It means what? How many cans they want white paint with add plus a red paint. Understood? So what we are doing here, all students, it means we are here do the addition. So let's see here, students, what is our answer. Okay, so now we are checking the what is here answer. Okay, so first of all we write the all details. They need 423 cans of white pens, and they need 670 cans of red paint. Understood, all students? Okay, one more thing here. What is the instructions? Use only the information you need. They gives, but here 25 buildings and 30 days is no necessary to write in our data. So already they given us to as a instructions. Use only information you need. Okay, so we want as only this information, because of question is what, students? All, how many cans do they need? All, only they need a cans. How many cans? We have to see, we have to do here only totals, how many cans they need. Here no need to the 25 buildings or a 30 days. That's why our question is that. So we are write as like that data, 423 cans of white pens, and they need to 670 cans of red pen. Understood? So we are do the addition here, 423 plus 678, 3 plus 8 means how many? You students do with your fingers. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means 8 plus 3 means 11. So 1 here and 1 carry forward. Okay, students, 1 here and 1 carry. Okay, then after 1 here and 1 carry. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. How many, all students? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 means 9, and this count the 1. Okay, and then after 10, so 0 here and 1 carry. Okay, so 6 plus this 4, 10, 10 plus 1 11, and this 11. Okay, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus this one 11. So what I am writing here? 11. Understood, all students? What I am writing here? 11. So answer is what? 1100. 1101 cans. How many cans they want? They want 1101 cans wants of all a color. Understood? So now we are move on the example number 2. Example number 2 means question number 2. Question number 2 is what, all students? So question number 2 is, students, a large stadium can hold. Stadium means what? Cricket ground is called a stadium. A large stadium can hold 10,000 people. Okay, in one day there were 5,050 people, of which 2,976 were a woman. Okay, in one day total people are how many? 5,050 people, and of which people into the 2,976 were woman only, and how many were a man? So what to do here, students? First of all, understand the proper equation and find the if needed information. Okay, here extra information with give the problems. Okay, so that's why we are only here collect the information or needed information or data. Okay, a large stadium can hold the 10,000 people. Okay, one stadium is capacity of hold the 10,000 people. It means 10,000 people are stay together, and one day means on one day there were 5,050 people. 5,050 people, of which 2,976 were women. How many were a man? So what we are find here, students? We are find here how many strength of man. Here woman is how many? Woman is 2,976 is woman. Okay, so we have a find here what? We have a find here the what? A man strength. How many man is there? Understood, all students? So now we are checking here the what to do here. First of all, we decide here what to do. Okay, so here, students, we do the collect the information. See here, one by one we are seeing the a large stadium can hold the 10,000 people. 10,000 people. This data we want, this information we want. No, because of 10,000 people only there is a sentence. A large stadium is a capacity of the stadium. But correct information is which? How many? One day and there were 5,050 people. Okay, in women is how many? 2,976 is people. So both data and both this information need in our problem solving. So we are write this data or information. One day there were 5,050 people, and women were 2,976. How many? And women were 2,976. So we are do here the what? Subtractions. Because of how can we know that we are doing the subtraction? How can we do here? How can we decide here that we are applying here the subtraction? So students, see again, read the question. Okay, one day there were people. How many people total? Okay, 5,050 people there. But in 5,052, most probably 2,973 is women. So how can we know the main strength? So total people means 5,050 is our one day people, and woman is 2,976. So we have to 5,050 minus 2,976. We have to do this subtraction as like that. So we are do as like that, all student. Understood? So 5,015 minus 2,976. Understood, all students? So now let's check here and let's solve the problems. Solving here the question. Okay, 0 minus 6. 0 minus, is this possible, students? No. So take the borrow. 10 minus 6, so 4. 10 minus 6, so 4. Okay, then after cut the further digit and put the small digit 4. Okay, 4 minus 7 possible? No. Is this not possible? So again what we are doing here, take the borrow. 10 plus 4, 14 minus 7, so 7. Then again cut the further digit because of we are taking here the borrow. So cut the further digit and put the 9 because of 0 is there. So smallest digit we are put the small digit 9. 9 minus 9, so 0. Again we are take, always we are take there 9, so always we are cut the further digit. So I am cutting the further digit and put the small. 4 minus 2. So how many students? 2. So answer is what? 2074 men. Okay, in one day people 5050 people, and woman were 2976, and man 2074. Understood? Now we are move on question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Question number 3 is for a wedding that was to be attended by a 750 people. Okay, what is the meaning of the for a wedding that was to be attended by 750 people? So for a wedding means what? Marriage. For a marriage that was to be attended means how many people? 750 people. Okay, in one marriage 750 people attend the marriage or wedding. The decorators had to the use. Decorator means what? Decorators means the man of decorators had to use 1250 flowers. How many flowers? He had use 1250 flowers used in the hall. If they had already used 985 flowers, how many flowers? He had used 985 flower already used. Total he had 1250 people use in a hall. Understood? And already used 985 flowers. So how many more did they have to use? Okay, total he had 1250, already used 9805. Okay, so question is what, all students? Question is what exactly? How many more did they have to use? वो कितने use कर सकता है? It means how many have to use now. Okay, so question is what? Answer number 3. Okay, first of all we collect the information, means needed information. The decorators had used 1250 flowers, and if they had already used the 985, so what to do here? Minus. Okay, so 1250 minus 985. So answer is what? 8 minus 5. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. Is this possible, students? 0 minus 5. So is this not possible? So what we are doing, students? Taking the borrow. 10 minus 5, so 5. And what we are do the students? That time we are cut the further digit and put the small digit 4. Okay, 4 minus 8. Is this possible? No. So 4. So again we are take the word borrow. What we are taking that time? We are take the borrow. Okay, all students, so we are put the borrow, put the 10 plus this 4, so 14 minus 8. So how many, all students? 14 minus 8, so 14 minus 8, so 6. Okay, and then further again we cut the further digit 2, so what there? 1. Okay, 1 minus 9. Is this possible? Is this not possible? So what we are doing that time? Take the borrow. 10 plus 1, 11 minus 9, 11 minus this 9, 11 minus 9, so how many, students? 2. So and then further again cut the digit 1 and put the small digit. So I am cutting and put the small digit 0. 0 minus 0, so 0 is no need to write this 0. Okay, so answer is what coming? 265. What? 265. So totally flower 265 65 flowers more did they have to use. What? 265 flowers more did they have to use. Understood, all students? Now we move on the question number 4. I hope you understood, all students, betterly. Question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Lakshmipur has a population. Lakshmipur has a population. Population means a strength of whole village. Means whole village. How many people are stay in a Lakshmipur? It's called a population. Lakshmipur has a population of 13,654. Okay, how many strengths there? It has 13,654. The neighboring village, which is 85 km away, has a population of 9,765. How many strength of a neighboring village? Neighboring village population has 9,765. How many? 9,765. Understood, all students? So now we are checking here the what this information. Okay, which information here we want here, or we are applying here. So Lakshmipur has population is 30,654 and our neighboring village 9,765. Understood, all students? That's why we are do here the answer. Lakshmipur has the populations of how many? 13,654, and its neighboring village has a populations of 9,765. So we are subtracting here 13,654 minus 9,765. So 4 minus 5. Is this possible, students? 4 minus 5? No. So what we are doing, that borrow 10 plus 4, 14 minus 5. So how many, students? 9. 14 minus 5, so 9. Okay, and then after cut the digit and put the small digit 4. 4 minus 6. Is this possible? No. So what we are doing, again take the borrow 10 plus what? 10 plus 4. So 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. So how many, students? 8. And then again we are cut the further digit, because of here what we are taking the borrow. So again we are cut the further digit and put the small digit 5. Okay, 5 and 5 minus 7. Is this possible? No. So again what we are taking there, students? Borrow. So 10 plus 5, 15 minus 7. So how many, students? 8. 15 minus 7. Do with your fingers. So answer is what come? 8. And then further cut the digit 2. So 2 minus 9. Is this possible? 2 minus 9. No. Is this not possible? So what we are taking there? Borrow. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 9. So how many left? 3. Okay, and then what we are cut the digit and put the small digit 1, cut and put the small digit 0. So 0 minus 0, so is 0. No need to write 0 there. So answer is what coming, all students? 3,889. So answer is what? 3,889 people are in a neighboring village of has to a Lakshmipur. Okay, Lakshmipur is having the more than to the neighboring house. How many people? 3,889. Understood, all students? Now last question of this exercise number 2H in the question number last. Sarita buy 250 m. M means what? Meter. 250 meter of blue cloth. Cloth means you know very well. Blue cloth, 250 meter of blue cloth, and 987 meter of white cloth, and 849 meters of green cloth. She makes 986 dresses using only the red, blue, white or cloth. Okay, so how much materials does she use all? She make 986 dressings. So how much? Okay, how much materials does she use in all? Okay, so is a blue color of 215 meters, white 987 meter, and 849 meter is a green. Understood, all students? So now we are checking here the details. Sarita buy 250 meter blue cloth. 3 meter means what, students? A length of a cloth. We have learned in a measurement chapter. Okay, blue cloth, 309 meters of the red cloth, and 987 meters of white cloth. So we are do the addition here. 215 plus 309 plus 987. So 9 plus 5 plus 7. So how many, students? 9 plus 5 plus how many? how many? I am already put here the what? 5 plus 9 plus 7. Okay, so how many students? I am wrote only here 1. Okay, 5 plus 9, 9 plus 7, so 5 plus 9 plus 7, so 21. So 2 here and 1 as like that. So 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus this one, 11, 11 plus this 2. So we write a, how many? Again I am telling you, 3, 8, 11, 11 plus 2, 12. So how can we write all students? So students, how many? Again 12. Okay, so 1 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 1 here and 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus this 1 10, 10 plus this 1. Okay, so how many students? 11. 11, so as write we as like that, 1 plus 2 4, sorry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus this 9, 6 plus 9. So how many students? 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Again I am telling you, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 9 plus, sorry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 2 15. Okay, so answer is what? 1511. Understood all students? 1511. So Sarita want a 1511 material she using all. Understood all students? I think you all students, I hope you understood all students betterly. Exercise number 2nd, as you have to write in your fair book. Understood all students? Thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much all of you.